I'll read the story. You have to listen to your teacher properly, okay? All of you show me your ears. Hands on your lap. Yes. The blue ball is up in the air. Where is the blue ball? Up in the air. Is the red ball? Down. Where is the red ball? Where is the
You have to circle the child who is up in each picture. Okay. Then you have to draw the picture that you see up in the air.
See, now we are going to learn the add word family, okay? Say now.
At the hat, but at the back, the but at the back.
Say sound. Say sound.
At the mat.
Repeat once again.
R